Whether you're a military man or just someone who enjoys the practicality and utility of tactical gear, you should know the importance of doing your research when looking for the best tactical sling bag. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tactical sling bags on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. G4 Free EDC Tactical Sling Bag 7L. G4 Free is a more budget-friendly outdoor brand for those who have a spending limit but still want high-quality tactical gear. One of their more popular products is this 7L tactical sling bag, which was advertised as EDC. Although it is good for everyday use, I was able to try it out and bring it during a day hike. I was actually satisfied and highly recommend it as a multi-purpose day pack for short hikes or even a trip out of town. The reason why I love it as a tactical sling pack for day hikes is that it has several internal and external compartments, and even though it's pretty small with 7.87 x 5.51 x 9.87 dimensions, the space is enough for all the essentials. I fit a liter of water, a phone, a wallet, keys, a change of shirt, and a couple of smaller items. The main space is very roomy, and it has 3 compartments outside. A main external pocket, a smaller one that zips on the front, and a back pocket. Altogether, this bag is very compact and lightweight at 0.88 pounds. At first look and touch, I can say that the construction of this sling bag is decent. On the tag, it says it's made out of 600D polyester. It also has a double zipper, which I like since it gives users easy access. It also has the MAL system, which is handy if I ever need to use it. Price-wise, it is very affordable, and I believe this one gives good value for money. Number 2. 5.11 Rush Mob 6 Tactical Sling Pack. To really see if a 5.11 tactical sling bag lives up to its hype, I purchased another version from the Mob line, but this time it's a bit more compact with an 11-liter volume. It measures 12.99 x 9.84 x 3.94, providing enough space for survival essentials. I have always been on the hunt for a reliable bag, one that is highly durable to use as an emergency bag, and this pack fits the criteria. One thing that impresses me the most about the tactical sling bags from this brand is the solid and durable construction, and this particular one is made from 100% 1050D nylon. The main compartment and the external front pocket have double zippers, which are always convenient and provide easy access to items in our sling bag. It also has the signature covert TacTech as a secret weapon pocket, space for a 1.5L hydration bladder, plus a smaller pocket on the padded shoulder straps for a radio and a fleece-lined sunglass pocket on top. As expected, it also has the MAL 5.11 platform that can accommodate any other pouches and bags from the same line. This is most useful when I plan to customize it and add extra pockets. And just like many other choices in this list, it has an adjustable ambidextrous strap. Its fabric is also reliably water resistant. Number 3. Cute Tactical Backpack. Now onto the most affordable tactical sling pack on this list. This single sling tactical backpack is one that surely fits anyone's budget, especially those who just want a basic one. Along with its small size measuring 9.83 x 7.83 x 4.83, it is also lightweight at 0.7 pounds, which is an important feature of a compact pack. When it comes to quality, I think the bag's design is great for its price. The entire bag is made of nylon fabric with excellent manufacturing and a good structure. Overall, it has great durability. Aside from the main space, it has one large exterior pocket and a smaller one for additional items. Both the main storage and large pocket have a double zipper design, which I like as it becomes more convenient to access. I believe this is a good option for a tactical cycling bag. Although compact, it can fit so many essentials like smaller tools and spare parts, a water pouch, a wallet, keys, a phone, etc. Like the others, it has a MAL system and a strap. Lastly, it has reliable water resistance, which is a big deal for me when I cycle in the rain. Number 4. 5.11 Tactical Mob 10 Sling Bag. 5.11 Tactical is a top brand for survival gear, so there's no surprise that their sling bags are popular with EDC enthusiasts, including this Mob 1018L, which I was able to try out. And right off the bat, I like how it's a part of the 5.11 tier system, giving me the option to customize it with the other bags and pouches in the Rush series. With the 18L capacity, its main section measures 18.25 h x 9 liters x 5.25d, which can fit a 15 laptop, while the front compartment is 12.5 x 8 x 2. Each of these compartments has interior pouches, which I found convenient for better organization. The bag has a smaller compartment that fits a phone on its adjustable shoulder straps, a sunglass pocket, and a 1.5-liter hydration bladder. It also has the covert tactech for the rear pocket, perfect for a concealed weapon. Moreover, the entire bag is made of 1050D nylon and utilizes IC self-healing zippers. Altogether, it weighs 2.6 pounds, impressively lightweight considering all of its features. It has adjustable ambidextrous shoulder straps, which I love as it's very comfortable and doesn't strain my shoulder at all. Overall, I believe it's a great EDC sling bag. I was able to fit all of my everyday essentials and organize them efficiently inside. Number 5. Fitem Tactical Sling Bag. This tactical sling bag from Fitem stands out on this list, in my opinion. It's very compact and has 2 front pockets. The interior also has multiple pockets and organizers. Its size offers versatility, allowing me to wear it comfortably on my shoulder or use it as a fanny pack. Although it can be easily considered an excellent everyday utility pack, I love it more as a travel camera bag. I recently went on a 2-day hiking trip and brought some camera equipment with me, and this bag fits exactly everything. It fits my compact SLR, 2 types of prime lenses, plus the cables and chargers. But my favorite thing about this tactical pack is the design. It can pass off as a casual sling bag since it doesn't look military at all. It looks simple and stylish, but still has that tactical appearance to it. I am impressed with how solid its build is with the 600D luggage polyester, plus the high-quality zippers. Additionally, it's wholly water-resistant. I noticed it wicks my sweat while wearing it, preventing my body from getting damp. On top of everything, it is very comfortable to wear even with the load. I also love how the waist strap has a wide size range, measuring from 20 to 56, easily fitting everyone, even those with different body sizes. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.